Okay, Pat's installing a bulkhead fitting here on pop-up containment. So the first thing he's going to do is mark the place where the hole's going to go. You can see he's going to rest the nut down as close to the bottom of the containment as he can, and he's tracing a circle with a magic marker. And next he's going to take his utility knife. He's going to cut a little X essentially through the hole. As you can see, he's staying inside the circle, and now he can grab each one of his little V's, if you will, or little pieces of pizza pie like, and you can see he's trimming them out. Now keep in mind the bulkhead fitting itself is bigger than the circle because it's got gaskets on both sides. So if it's a little bit jagged on the edge, it's no big deal as long as you don't go a ½ inch bigger. So you can see he's just carefully trimming the top two pieces, and now he's going to do the same thing with the two little bottom pieces. Yeah, you can see he's taking extra care to be sure that he's not poking any extra holes in the containment, because we don't want to have to patch them. Although it never hurts to have a little Flex Seal tape around in case that happens. And now he's getting to the last little piece of pizza pie slice out of there, and now he has his hole in. Okay. Next, Pat's going to insert that, and you can see there's a gasket. So he's going to put the gasket over the long threaded neck, and he's going to put that through the hole, and just going to twist it in place so that that gasket is holding it. And now he's got a nut that goes on the other side that he's just going to basically hand. So Pat's hand tightening the nut on the other side, and essentially all you'll have to do is, once that thing's snugged down, by the way, it threads the opposite of what you would instinctively say, but then you just need 2 pairs of channel locks to basically tighten that, and it doesn't have to be super tight. All it needs to be is nice and snug. So Pat's snugging that up now, and it's pretty much ready to go. So Pat has a little threaded plug for the bulkhead, and so you can thread that in, and it'll just basically self-seal. So if you don't want to